If you ever hear him saying I have nothing to consume, a lima bumbo cartel after he no broke on papa rice. Guess what my favorite snack? Bread. Oh, you know that? 1 dozen slice of bread, half dozen francs, 1 jumbo bumbo pack of Lasco, 6 scoop of protein powder, and 4 scoop of creatine. I wonder if him and Steve are related. What kind of work he do? He have devil fruit powers, me just can't prove it. What you mean by the ancestors them are coming at him? 2 decades of blood clot bread jankro. Walco Birdie tell me say when the camera off, he British style it no top ball for murder when he ma use it. You didn't know saying could have backflip too? No. Me neither. Somebody in the comment section say he nah stop till he man that way. Hey, yeah. We want justice for James. Every follower I get, I more in my stretch. Ref, do something about it, In promos, they fancy, me not gonna lie you. Him better make a public announcement when him a go near me whole of Jamaica that's me can evacuate before he start.